Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm happy that you're here today. I wanted to talk about Mopak, and this is the bag that I will be reviewing. They have a lot of really nice travel bags, duffels, backpacks, sling bags, totes, really nice simple designs. I'm so happy to review this bag for you today. This is the Wanderer Sling Grande. I got it in black. I love how many compartments and organizational pockets that this bag has, and I love the size. Most sling bags are just too tiny. It has this beautiful soft leather material. It's so soft to the touch. It is crafted from recycled coffee grounds, which is really cool. It is extremely soft. I don't know if you can tell. It also comes in another color, a lighter color as well. I already took this out on a little hike nearby, or a walk really. I just love how beautiful it looks. Kindle, my phone, snacks, beef stick, protein bar. That's all I brought here on this little walk, but it can fit so much more. I'm going to show you all of the pockets that it has for organization, and as well as what I would pack for an international trip. On the front, it has a really nice large zipper pocket, and in here it has two additional mesh pockets, so you could really organize your little things so well. You're never going to just be digging around for your things, because every little thing that you pack in here will have its own little spot. And on the back side, you have another fully zipped pocket. Everything is very secure. The zippers are really smooth. And then in here you have two additional side pockets. In the center compartment, it can fit so much. The center compartment has this huge flat pocket in here, as well as a zippered pocket inside. And inside the zipper pocket is another little pocket. It's really satisfying. It magnifies clothes like that. And this is where you can put your passports and things that need to be RFID safe. Before I start packing my bag with you, I also want to show you how beautiful the strap is. You can fully customize how long or short you want it. The strap is easily customizable for length. I have it on the shortest length. It glides so smoothly, and I'll show you some more shots of me wearing this bag after I pack it. This is everything I would need on a flight. I'm gonna start with passports. I will be putting that in the inside zipper pocket in the RFID slot, and then this magnetically closes in there. And I don't even have much to put in here, but there's another huge slot right here. I think I'm going to put my snacks in there. I just always have to carry some snacks with me. So snacks and my passports are in there. I'm gonna zip that close. Gotta have some lip balms and lip products, lip liner, and I'm going to put that in this pocket right here. Never mind, I'm actually going to put that in the front pocket so I can easily reach it. Front zipper pocket in these two small mesh pockets, and I can fit so much more in there, but I'm just gonna put them all in this pocket. There's also a key leash, so if you have something, you just never have to dig for anything in here. So I'm not gonna put keys in here today, but you can definitely add keys in there. Next, I always need my power bank. This is a pretty big one. This can probably charge my phone, I don't know, at least 5 times or maybe even more. Yeah, I just always bring this everywhere with me. I'm just gonna put that in the big compartment in here. And then for the wire that I need to charge my phone with, I will put it in this back pocket, in this pocket right here that has a picture of wires. I just think that keeps everything so organized. My AirPods will also go in this pocket that has a cute little icon of AirPods pretty much, but you can of course put anything you want in these little pockets. And also in this back zipper pocket, I'm just gonna throw in my supplements and hand sanitizer and zip that up. In this big main compartment, I will put my Kindle. The stickers are a mess. I cannot live without my Kindle. It just truly entertains me when I'm waiting for stuff or on the plane or anything. Gotta have that. And also my Kindle accessories, clicker. I will just put that in this inside flap pocket. I'm gonna zip this front pocket. And I still have so much room, but this is probably everything that I would need. I don't usually bring a physical book, but if you like to travel with a physical book, it can also fit that right inside. Lastly, my phone. This is the large one. And now I'm gonna zip up that middle compartment. This is pretty stuffed with the book. Here's the front. And lastly, a hair clip. Can't go anywhere without a hair clip. I'm just gonna clip that right here. So this is what it looks like, stuffed with everything I just put in there. I did take out the book because I don't generally carry a book. I love my Kindle. And let me just put this on and show you. I am 5 feet tall and I have it on the shortest setting. And I love how everything is so secure right in front of me. You can also wear it in the back. Sometimes I do that when I just really need hands-free. And I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go on vacation. All the pockets are really easily accessible. The zippers glide like butter. Same with the middle compartment. I can get everything really easily, grab my phone. It does come in a really pretty like neutral lighter color as well. I almost got that one. I just know for me that black is more practical and I can also share it with my boyfriend. And he really loves this bag too. I really like this bag. Let me know if you also love a million compartments where you know where every single thing is. That's what I love about this bag so much. And also let me know down below in the comments where you're traveling to next. I am looking for some ideas. I should be going on some trips soon, so stick around. I believe the Wanderer Sling Grande is on sale right now and I will link that down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!